Well, there's the big risk that that Delta variant may become the predominant strain in the United States if we're not careful. And unvaccinated people passing that infection on from person to person increases the risk that that will happen. This strain is more infectious and maybe even a little more lethal than the current strain that we have. So that's the real concern. If you get people vaccinated, then you can break the chain of infection, and then we don't have to worry about that unless it totally mutates. But right now, the vaccine seems to be effective, but everybody's not vaccinated.
Well, what will it take then to get more eligible Americans vaccinated? We know that U.S. President Joe Biden has a July goal, fast approaching, of getting 70% of people vaccinated in this country. Do you think that will happen? And what will it take to get people to get those shots in their arms?
Well, we're certainly optimistic that we can get there. The administration has activated all the public health groups in the country, all of the businesses. This is a month of action, and what we're hoping is during this month of action, we'll be able to reinvigorate the vaccine effort, which has fallen off some over the last few weeks.
Why is that? What is the hesitancy, do you think?
It's a range of things. There's people that are out and about. They just simply haven't gotten it done. They're not opposed to getting vaccinated, but they just haven't gotten it done. It has become a priority, and we need to make sure people understand it's a priority. And there's still people out there who have concerns, haven't had all their questions answered. And so we're asking those people to talk to a trusted messenger, talk to their doctor, and get vaccinated. You know, get the information that you need so you can go ahead and get your shot.
If you look around, I don't know where you are, but looking around here, it looks like most people, we have low numbers in D.C., there's no pandemic. And we are now in the midst of summer travel season. The airports are full. There's a lot of opening up with restaurants and events. So what are some things to consider in the weeks and months ahead?
Well, we know that we're going to, even though we're opening up and we're out and about, again, people who are not vaccinated still need to wear a mask. And my biggest concern is that we're going to have outbreaks. They may not be big outbreaks, but we're going to have outbreaks. And that means testing and contact tracing, isolation and quarantine, basic gun-shoe public health practice is going to be very important in the next few months.
Do you think people believe that so many people are vaccinated that they don't have to be?
I think that's the case. People, we have short memories, which is a real tragedy here. And what's going to happen is that those short memories are going to result in real tragedies. And then, people may get vaccinated by that, but the problem is that people just aren't as concerned as they need to be.